My people, you sabi how life dey sweet you when you get better sound for ear. But wait first, what if I tell you say this bus no just sweet, but e get better battery life wey go sweet your body? Welcome to Tech Bobo HQ, where we turn ordinary gadgets to superstar gist. Today na the Itel BudsNeo 3 we dey unpack. Dem say e be bass king and battery giant. Sit down, make we knack better tori. Oya, make we check am. First of all, na the battery na im be the champion for this one. With one charge, e go last you 30 days. Omo, if you don't charge this bus for 1 month, e go still deliver. Yes, if na one earbud you wan use, e go give you 14 hours non-stop playtime. If na full party you dey plan, e go carry you reach 100 hours. Na who go first tire? Your ears or the battery? Now, we wan play music. We want to jazz to gbedu music. Omali guys, sharp pra. You dey feel am? Make I put the two together. Chai, see as this Spatial Super Bass dey enter my body. Omo, if you like music wey get heavy gbas-gbos, BudsNeo 3 no go ever fall your hand. Your sound go dey clear and your bass go dey strong like Ninja coconut. You dey inside Danfo or noisy Lagos market, no worry. This BudsNeo 3 get AI noise cancellation wey go silence all the wahala around you. The person wey you dey follow talk go think say you dey for quiet AC room. Na better tech, no cap. Another ogbonge tori wey I wan give you be say this BudsNeo 3 get IPX5. E mean say e get water resistant. You no need bother about sweat or raindrop. You fit dey use am dey jog, use am under rain without no wahala. Trust me, this one e dope. So for the design, Itel try for the design, but for me, I go like make my own be black. I just feel say black go too dope. No be say this one bad though, but for me, I go prefer black. Wetin you think about am? You like black or you wan go with this one? But for me, black na im be the baba. BudsNeo 3 no just sweet for ear alone, e sweet for style too. This buds fit your ear like say they design am for you. No cap. No shaking, no stress. You fit gym, you fit jog, you fit dance. E no go fall. I dey tell you the truth. How you dey see am? This is BudsNeo. So na the gist be that o. Itel BudsNeo 3 na for everybody wey dey look for long battery mad bass and tech wey sabi. Whether you dey jam music or you dey pick chord, BudsNeo 3 go deliver. So my people, welcome to the most important part, the price. Yes, I know say you be the wonder say how much this BudsNeo 3 go cost. Well, e no too cost, but the price na 30,000. But guess what? Itel dey run Black Friday offer. So this BudsNeo 3 na 30,000 naira before, but currently Itel dey run Black Friday offer, which means say e be 17,000 naira now. E dope, abi e no dope? E dope. So e be 30,000 naira, but Black Friday offer dey wey you fit get am 17,000 naira from Itel. Omo, Itel too dey do na. So no waste time o, go get your own today. So my people, Tech Bobo dey tell you say I guarantee and this one worth the price. Yes, no cap. So wetin you dey wait for? Go get one for yourself now, not now. Yes, now. From 30,000 naira to 17,000 naira. Abba, Itel dey try now. They dey over deliver. Now, Itel dey tell you say better life na for everyone. So this buds here na from Itel and e be 30,000, but now na 17,000 naira because Black Friday offer dey. Wetin you dey wait for? Go get one for yourself now. Biko come, wetin you still dey wait for? Rush go Itel official page for Jumia and grab the Itel BudsNeo 3 for just 17,000 naira. No go talk say I no run your update o. So drop your comment, make you know what you think about this BudsNeo 3 from Itel. I guarantee am. Check out. Yes, my people, now the tori be that. This is BudsNeo 3 from Itel. I bet it will never disappoint you. You need to get one for yourself today. No more wayo, no more tori say you no see better earbud. This earbud dey here to serve you, to make you enjoy good sound, good music. You no get tori, you no even get excuse again. Go get one for yourself today. Make we dey jam this song together. Oh shit. My people, na so Tech Bobo dey round up for today. If you like wetin you see, like, share and subscribe. Till the next time, no go carry last o. Na Tech Bobo dey hala. Peace out. Chum chum.